What is social media and social media marketing? So let's first of all we know to about social media. So we know that social media network platform has totally changed the way people interacting, communicating, exploring and connecting, consuming and searching information. Currently one is the three people using some kind of social media network. First, today social media is part of our everyday life and it influences our personal and professional life both. So now your business dependency and marketing is also shifting from traditional media to social media. The social medias has become most used way for communication with our friends, family, relatives, new people and most importantly to promote our businesses, brand, product and service. And then social media marketing, using the power of social media website and platform to reach your target audience and market your products and service and brand. Use the power of social media for your businesses is great way to establish relationships with customers and potential future customers as like prospects. So the main purpose to social media marketing is to promote companies and their products or service to their target audience and especially given power of individual, small businesses and large corporations to monitor, manage, analyze, measure and optimize their online presence. So that is social media and social media marketing. I hope you like the video